The "whoops, something went wrong" error on DoorDash indicates an unexpected issue. It usually stems from server problems, VPN interference, or cache issues. Server issues occur when DoorDash's servers can't handle requests due to overload, maintenance, or attacks, indicated by timeout exceeding 30 seconds. VPNs can interfere by altering your IP address and location, conflicting with DoorDash's geolocation services for fraud detection and regional restrictions. Lastly, corrupted or outdated cache data stored on your device can cause conflicts and errors when syncing with servers. In short, the error is a generic message triggered by a failure in DoorDash's app operation due to server-side issues, VPN problems, or cache data on your device. First, check DoorDash server status using Down Detector. If servers are down, wait for them to recover. DoorDash's average uptime is 99.8% as of 2025. Second, if using a VPN, disable it temporarily or switch to a US-based server. VPNs can cause errors due to IP mismatches. Third, clear the DoorDash app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, DoorDash Storage, then Clear Cache. On iOS, offload the app or reinstall it. Restart your device if needed. DoorDash version 4.8.1, released in September 2025, includes an auto cache flush feature, so ensure your app is up to date. According to user surveys, 65% of errors are resolved by clearing cache or restarting. Finally, if problems persist, contact DoorDash support.